this tutorial, we'll go over how to add 3D text to your edits. To begin, open Multilayer. Tap on a layer, then add a text layer. After adding your text, go to Styles and choose 3D. Note that some fonts may not be compatible with 3D mode. In that case, try using a simpler font. To preview your text, use one finger to rotate and two to scale or pan the text. Double tap to reset. Go to the Outline tab to adjust the border color and size. The Spacing tab has sliders to adjust the spacing between letters and lines, as well as the depth of the text. After editing your text, tap Done. Please note that the Layout and Color tabs are not compatible with 3D text. To learn more about adding text to your edits, check out the Multilayer Text Maker and Animated Text tutorials. Or for more information on 3D editing, check out the 3D editing tutorial. When done, tap Create.